All right, guys, round two. Here is the same case here I reviewed for the 14 Plus from Benks. It's called the Biliz Pro, and this is actually it's such a nice case. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the packaging for you here. On this case, though, since it's the 13 Pro, it kind of gives that style that we're used to from Benks, which you fold it open like this, and it's got all the information on it, though. This is going to be really nice. Man, strong magnetic connection for the MagSafe, and that is something that I really like about phones for the iPhones. The companies that offer MagSafe, it's just a bonus. So let's get this open here. Really nice. It looks cool, man. It looks definitely a little bit different. It's got like a carbon fiber faux look on this one. Remember, you get a brush, a dusting brush, when you buy this case. If I could, dang, they got it in there. Get rid of this. Now, this one right here actually looks really cool because it has like a microfiber design to it, as you can see there. That is really cool, opposed to this one right here. And it might just be the models. You might be able to get it from both, but this is a smooth one. So this is really nice. And again, you get that brush there to dust it off. And so looking around the case, again, you've got these smooth sides. You got these premium metal buttons on here. It's got that nice grippy feel in there. It's the TPU framing on here. You can see the little air pockets on here too. Same as the other one, but you know, this one's just a different look on the outside. But that grippy back that's going to protect your device. Durable, eco-friendly, and really nice. So let's pop it on here. Oh yeah, that is a win-win. Oh man, this feels so good. And just like the other version here, it's about the smoothness. This is very smooth and soft touch matte. It's not that something's wrong with that. It's just, you know, I have to let you know that it's not a real grippy case on the edges, but the case itself will give you some grip. So again, just taking a look here, you can see the camera is going to be recessed now and balanced out. So when you lay it down like this case has feet on the corners, and on this side, it's going to be raised by the camera. You've got a little bump on each side for your device in the case to kind of have a raised look off the table. And then on the back here, you can see here, you've got the cameras again, where it's nice and flush on there and down inside of there. So looking at the buttons here, you can see here, you got, again, those metal buttons. You got your vibrate rocker switch right there. That's pretty cool. Easily to access that. Premium buttons there. Travel and feedback on the buttons are going to be really nice. And I think you will not be disappointed with the way this case feels. So let's go ahead and try some wireless charging here. This is good. This case definitely wireless charges. And it's just a matter of, what do you want to use, wireless charging? Or do you want to do MagSafe? Because this is MagSafe compatible. So we can pop this on. Strong magnet. That is a strong, oh shoot, it's so tight. That's a strong magnet. We hit that button there. You watch it power on. You flip it over. And there's your charging. So this is a good look, man. I really like it on the smaller phone too. But I appreciate Benks sending it over. As you know, I did the video on the 14 Plus already. And they sent them over for both, man. So this is such a beautiful case, and I really was excited about this. They make this for the 14 Pro lineup and the 14 lineup, and they also obviously have it for the 13 lineup for the people who did not upgrade. So I think you'll probably be impressed with this when you decide to grab it. I'll leave links to it down below. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.